It is another day of the Christmas countdown, and most importantly, today is a food day of the Christmas countdown. Me and Ellie have been super busy working all day long, and we are finally happy to get to eat some food. Today we are ordering from Luck in a Cup. Food time.
Don't forget to subscribe to see us try more awesome foods here in Germany, and make sure you like this video to tell the algorithm we're doing something great on this channel. And don't forget to comment and add, have you been to Luck in a Cup? Would you like to go? Is there something else we should have tried? Let us know. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And support us on Patreon.
Okay, successfully paid for and ordered, and it will be ready in approximately 9 minutes. That means we have to go soon.
Alright, I'm ready. Let's go. Hit the road. Here we go. This restaurant was one of the first restaurants we came to in Essen, and we really liked it. They had a really cool seating thing outside with like old fronts of tractors as like the table support, and then like little chairs. But they've remodeled since then, and they all have like noodle dishes and some Asian cuisine. It's really tasty. Ooh, it's still warm.
I hope so.
From Luck in a Cup, we got my mail. We got a nice business card. We got one of Lucas's, insert name here, pad thai.
Pad thai.
And we got one of Ellie's. That's pad thai.
And this is yours. This one's pad thai, and that one is Ellie's yellow curry chicken.
Curry.
It looks delicious.
It's tangy, but delicious. I like the like creamy curry sauce. It's really well seasoned. I think curry just does that. It's delicious.
Here we go. It's good, yeah. Not spicy or like super like intense flavors. but just like nice soft Asian flavors that you usually get. And there's lots of like chicken and cucumbers. I love putting cucumbers in things. They always give it like a little freshness. Yeah, that'll be good.
So this was supposed to be jasmine rice, and I think it is, but there's also little brown rice pieces in it. So I don't know if this is brown rice or some other type of grain. If you know, throw it down in the comments below.
So, it's the next day because the video we watched yesterday, or the movie, was a little sadder than we were expecting. Maybe if you guys have ever seen 7 Pounds, you would have known that and been screaming, "Don't watch it because it's sad." I don't know. But it's the next day and we're back to tell you about what we thought of Luck in a Cup.
Yes, Luck in a Cup was really tasty, as we promised. We had rice, and in my dish I had green beans, red peppers, chicken, and like in this like curry sauce, and that was very delicious and I recommend it. It was very good. I would definitely order it again in a heartbeat.
And I had the pad thai. I liked it. It wasn't as like flavorful as like curries or even some other like Asian dishes I've had. It had fried rice noodles, which I really like noodles in basically any dish, so that's already kind of a win. And it had like cucumber and zucchini and peppers in it, and it was overall pretty good. Although I think if I had Luck in a Cup again, I would go with like a curry, like Ellie's yellow curry.
The atmosphere of the restaurant is really cool if you get a chance to dine there. So it's a really recommendable restaurant if you're eating in Essen. They also cater, which I found out.
With that, you guys know how it ends. Subscribe, like, comment, tell us what you think, if you've ever been there, if it sounds good to you, if the food looks good. And don't forget to tell your friends about us and our cool Christmas countdown that we're doing this month. Oh, it's a lot of work, but we enjoy it. And we'll see you later.
Mark.
It's another day of the Christmas countdown, and most importantly, it is a food day of the Christmas countdown. Ugh, you can't speak. Hold on. It's like, there's like a mountain in the middle. Oh, it's because they use the same container. And overall, bleh, can't speak.